You can never be poor if you know how to make money online. I repeat it again. You can never be poor. Where will I start from? Let me list the kind of businesses you can do online that will fetch you money. If you don't want to learn more on any of them, send me a message on DM or go to YouTube. Go to YouTube and make research for yourself. My duty here is for me to list it for you so that you can choose the one that will make you money for yourself. Number one, e-commerce. People are selling online. Go and make research and know how to make money in e-commerce. Learn how to do importation from China and make your own money. There's money in that field. Number two, freelancing. Go to Fiverr, go to Upworks. Learn how to work for people remotely. Become a virtual assistant. People are looking for who will work for them. If you learn these skills, even just typing, learning how to type, if you know how to type very well, you can get job online. As I said before, if you know how to make money online, you can never be poor. Number three, Forex, crypto, they are there. All you know yourself is to sit down and you ask and learn. After learning, that's when you will earn. That is why a lot of persons they believe everything online is Ponzi. No, there are legitimate way you can make money online. Number four, content creation. It could be on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or even YouTube. This platform they pay in dollars. So you cannot tell me your hands are folded that you cannot set your ring lights. Even though you don't have ring lights, start with that phone you have. You can never be poor if you know how to monetize the internet. Number five, video editing. Edit video, learn it is on YouTube. Go and learn it in YouTube. Go and use the free resources there. If you don't have money to buy a course that will teach you that, start from YouTube. So when you have started and start making little money, invest more in learning any of these skills to be very proficient in what you do. Number six, I've even lost count. Learn sales and marketing, learn digital marketing, learn affiliate marketing. You don't need a shop. You don't need what am I saying? You don't need to own any product of your choice in affiliate marketing. All you need to do is to go to affiliate marketing platform. If you need assistance on this, send me a DM, I will guide you. Go there, sign up, learn how it is done, start promoting these products for people to pay you high commission. You can make at least 100 to 200K a week doing just selling other people's products on the internet. Another one is learning how to run ads. A lot of businessmen and women want to take their business to the internet, but they don't know how to do that. You can stand in a gap for them and learn how to run ads for them. Many affiliate marketers are looking for who run ads to generate leads for them. You can stand in a gap. There are a lot of things you can do online. Please stop waiting for white collar jobs. Stop running around the streets. Stop receiving insult from people. Sit down your ass and learn these businesses. There are a lot of money to be made on the internet, and the money is so wide that it can reach everybody. Don't tell yourself that this business is saturated. Everybody is doing videography. Everybody is doing it. There's still room for you. Be good in what you do, and people will locate you. So make your research and learn more how to make money on the internet. You can never be poor. Enough of this begging in DMs. I wonder how influencers feel, because I know sometimes I run ads with influencers. They will come to my DM and be begging me, I need do giveaway. How long will you depend on giveaway? Why not sit down and make your money? This is 2024. Make your money. I am an advocate of you having your money because I have seen it works. So learn, implement, and earn, and you'll be smiling. All right. So if you need assistance in any of these skills I mentioned, send me a DM. I will guide you on how to go about it. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to like this video, and share to your friends that are wanting to make money online. See you in my next episode. Bye.